All right, I pay homage to the Riot Girl movement with my Riot Girl Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So with this one, I started off thinking, okay, I'm gonna draw this female character, and it'll be really cool and it'll be really awesome. And then before I knew it, the whole thing turned into a struggle with drawing hair once again. And so I don't know if you've seen any of my past videos, but I struggle with like normal everyday hairstyles or hairdos or hair don'ts. I don't know, but if it's anything related to real life, I struggle with it. So this one here, I just kept kind of going at it with this hairdo, and I knew I wanted a short haircut. Tried it shorter and kept going shorter with it, and just could not pin it down. And I know it's something I need to practice. This was another round of practicing. So ended up sticking with kind of this ratty, messy bob, and thought, okay, this is good enough. This will do. If I didn't stop, I'd still probably be drawing it right now. But this one, after the struggle with hair, I just said, let's paint skin blue. Let's throw in the dark blue for the dark hair, very comic book style, some light shading, and there you go, green background, green spots. Hope you like this one, and thanks, and I'll see you around. See ya.